Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have an unboxing of a very special watch that just came out from a brand that a lot of people don't know, but one of my favorite brands lately. Visited their factory and showroom. You can find the videos on my shorts, and I'll be doing a lot of reviews for this company in going forward. So, Hanhart is a watchmaker, watch brand, an old one, 1882, located in the Black Forest, and I will do a more coverage on Hanhart when I do the review, so be sure to check that out. And of course, the invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button if you do like these kind of content. So let's get down to it, putting the box away. I just wanted to get, as soon as I got the watch, the first impressions on the watch. Let me move this away, and as you can see here, very nice leather pouch, smells really nice as well, and voila, we have here the Hanhart Silva, which is the newest watch from the Pioneer collection. And what you get is this really supple one watch roll. So basically you roll it like this and you close it. Very well built. We'll also show it more in the review. So let's get the plastic off the watch. And here we go. So you get a cloth, and of course the card for the watch, and instruction book for the Silva, which is this model. So what you get is this beautiful everyday office watch from the Pioneer collection. Like I said, the newest release. You have a white dial and a black dial. So the Silva is a new watch, like I said, by Hanhart, and it's around starting from 890 euros. It's, like you see here, an automatic watch based on the Selita SW200 caliber with a branded Hanhart rotor. So let's get down to specifications. So let's see the diameter. So the diameter of the watch is 38.5. Lug to lug is 44, and thickness of 10 millimeters. And you have a width of strap of 20 millimeters. So these are the basic specifications. The watch is 50 meters of water resistance. The movement is running on 28,800 vibrations per hour, 26 joules. And as you can see, it has a polished finish, and it does look a bit like the Campus, the Nomos Club Campus that I have, which I will do a comparison video of the two watches. So hand wind, non-screw down crown, and moves quite good. You have this ghost position, but it's not connected to anything, so maybe they removed the date function. As you can see, 2 ticks. But like I said, we'll go to all these points in the review in much detail, and just give you a look how it will look on my wrist. I have a 17.2 centimeter wrist, so 38.5 is just a perfect size for me. And as you can see, there is a smidge on the dial, and there is plenty of lume on the watch, as I will show you. So you can see, oh, I thought there was lume on the hands and on the dial, on the numerals. Maybe I was wrong. So I'll just have to go back and look on the specifications again. And I'll leave the link for this watch in the description below. And be sure to check out future videos for the review and also the comparison to the Nomos Club Campus, because they're really similar to each other, and I'll leave all the comparison stuff when we get to it. So thanks again for watching, and if you do like this kind content, please do leave a like, also subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.